The material to make the tulip flower is scissors and a color paper. The first step is fold the paper into the triangle shape. And then cut the extra paper and open the square shaped paper. The next step is fold the paper diagonally. The next step is collapse and fold the paper together into the triangle shape. And then fold the half of the paper in the center line. And then repeat the step for the all sides. And then flip the paper on the other side and repeat the same step on the back of the paper. The next step is fold the paper in the center line and the side also, and repeat the same step for the back of the paper. And then insert the paper to each and other and repeat the same step for the back of the paper. Pull the sides of the paper. And then blow the paper. So now we need to do the stem. So we need to fold the paper into small. And finally, we need to insert the stem in the tulip flower.
Hi, my name is Turkashnavi, daughter of Jayashankar. Today I am going to show how to do piggy bank using plastic bottle. First, we need a color paper, a plastic bottle, a hot glue gun, a cutter, and artificial ices. First step, we need to take off the cover. Next, we need to take off the plastic bottle tags. Next, we need to draw a rectangle shape on the plastic bottle. After we draw the mark, we should use our cutter to cut the mark. Fold the color paper into two. We should use our ruler to tear it. Next, we should use the color paper that we cut to measure on the plastic bottle. We should put a hole in here. Then we must put the hot glue on this paper. After we paste the hot glue gum, we must paste the paper on the bottle. With the square shaped color paper, we should fold it into two. We must draw a ear. After drawing, we must cut the ear. After cut, we must fold like this. After we fold, we must do like this. After that, we must place the plastic bottle cover on the color paper using hot glue gun. After we paste it, we must cut into the shape. Then we must draw a round. After we draw, we must cut the round. After that, we must cut into a round again. Then we must cover the bottle. Now we must paste the tape. Now we must paste the ices on the plastic bottle. Next, we must draw eyebrow. After that, we should paste the ears. We must draw the nose. This is the pigment that I have done.
Things that I use for pen holder is cardboard and glue. First of all, need to fold the cardboard. Next, you have to fold the front of the cardboard again. Next, in the first part of the cardboard, you have to fold it in half. It's ready for insert into yellow cardboard to green cardboard. Now you have to paste what you insert in before. In addition, you have to fold the cardboard in other side. Now the cardboard visible like a cuboid. So now you have to combine all the cardboard into squares, so you must paste it. Finally, I can produce holding a pen, and also it's useful for me.